morning guys. Let's continue the next sum. Calculate Bowley's coefficient of skewness for the following data. So they have asked Bowley's coefficient. Now question is this one. These two columns are the question. Capital class interval is given and frequency is given. So this is frequency column. Okay. Now as you see 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35. Now if you see, these are not exclusive. These are inclusive class intervals. So what we have to do? We have to convert it into exclusive class interval. We have to convert it into exclusive class interval. So exclusive class interval is here 0.5 to 5.5. See 1.5 with the name on 0.5 we have made it to 0.5 to next 5 is changed to 5.5. 0.5 is removed here and given here. Similarly, 6 has become 5.5, 10 has become 10.5. I have already dealt, I have already explained you this kind of sum. So now all the frequencies will, in the sense of the class interval will change. Okay, so frequencies are given here. Count them. It will be equals to how much? 280. Now we come to LCF format. Why we need LCF format? Because Bowley's coefficient formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. What are Q? Q are nothing but quartiles. Q is nothing but quartile. Now to calculate quartile we need what? We need LCF and we need class intervals to be exclusive. This is I had explained to you in note that for median classes should be exclusive. So 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 60, 110, 110 plus 80, 190, 190 plus 50, 240, 240 plus 25, 265, 265 plus 15 is 280. See now both the numbers are same. Now as of the formula I have written here, Bowley's coefficient is equals to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. So we need what? We need all the Q classes. Yeah, class so now for Q1 class, formula is to calculate Q. Qi is equals to I into n by 4th classes observation. Okay, so now for Q1, 1 here, so n divided by 4, 280 by 4, so 70th observation. Where is it nearer to? It is nearer to 110. So this class will be what? This is Q1 class. Next Q2 is equals to 2n by 4. 2 into 280 divided by 4. That will be 70 into 2. How much? 140. So 140 is nearer to 190. So this is Q2 class. Third one, multiply it again by 3. It will become 210. Because once if we have calculated Q1, 2Q2 will be into 2. 3Q3 will be into 3. 70 into 3 is how much? 210. So it is 210. It is nearer to 240 here. So this is Q3 class. I have already written here. Now all the classes are taken. We need our formula. What formula? Basic Q formula. What is Q formula? Qi into L plus IL by 4 divided minus CF divided by F into C. Now for this L value Q1 I have written here. I have written the class here. Okay, I have written the class. What class? You can see Q1 here 10.5 to 15.5. 10.5 to 15.5. Don't worry about this you have left. Leave it. So this is the frequency. See we have written here F value is how much? 60 minus n by 4 value is how much? 70. CF, where is CF? Preceding frequency to class. Preceding cumulative frequency here 50. See we have written 50. So for Q1, class Q1, L is equals to 10.5, CF is equals to 50, F is equals to 60. Okay. Now for class Q2, I will write here L is equals to CF is equals to and F is equals to L is equals to how much for class Q2? Here, say 15.5. F is equals to 80. CF will be here 110. And for class Q3, L is equals to, see here, how much? 20.5. CF is equals to preceding frequency 190. F is equals to current frequency. How much is the F? 50 here. So this is for class Q3, this is for class Q2, and this is for class Q1. All the same values have been substituted here. Okay, if you can see, Q1 is equals to L plus N by 4 minus C divided by F into C. L is how much? 10.5 written there. Plus N by 4 is 70, already calculated. Minus CF. CF is how much? 50. F is 60 into 5. Class size is how much? 5 for all. So it will be 10.5 plus. If you calculate this, it will be 1.61. How you have to calculate? 70 minus 50 is 20. 20 divided by 60 into 5. That will be 1.67. Add this. You will get 12.17 because they have given in the question there class interval, capital is in lakhs. Okay, so that's why we have written here lakh. Next, Q2 is equals to 2n by 4. We have already calculated 2n by 4. How much it is? 140 by 140 minus CF. I have shown you there 110. F is how much? 80. C is again 5. So if you do 140 minus 110 is 30. 30 divided by 80 into 5 is 1.875. So 15.5 plus 1.875 is equals to 17.375. Q3 is equals to 3n by 4. 3n by 4 also you have calculated. How much here? 210. Substituted 210 minus CF. 190 there. 190 divided by F. F is how much? 50. 50 into 5. If you calculate this, you will get 22.25 lakh. So these are all the Q1, Q2 and Q3 calculations. This is a 10 marks question. Now lastly, we have to substitute these values in our Bowley's coefficient formula. What was that formula? I have written there. What is it? Q3 plus Q1 minus 2Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Substitute all the values. Q3. How much is Q3? 22.25 into 25 plus Q1 12.17 minus 2 into Q2. Here is Q2 17.375 divided by 22.5 minus 12.7. Now how we have to calculate this? First minus this and write the answer here. Then multiply this and write. Add these two. Multiply this and write here 34. Add these two, you get again 34.67. Subtract this, you will get minus, because this number is great, minus 0.08 divided by, if you subtract, you will get 10.33. So minus 0.0077. Now because this is minus, you have to write, therefore the distribution is negatively skewed. The distribution is negatively skewed. So this is a 10 marks question. So there is a chance of asking, but midterm you have been asked, final exam very few times they have asked. So I'll do one more kind of sum if possible, I'll say, or else I'll, because there's nothing new here. You have already learned how to find out quartile. You have to just substitute these values in a new formula. That's all. So I'll not waste my time. I'll take the last topic, that is sums and kurtosis, and I'll end this chapter today here only in this video itself. Okay, I'll pause it and I'll write the kurtosis sums for you. Thank you. Next problem, as the first four central moments of a distribution are 0, 2.5, 0.7 and 18.75. Test the skewness and kurtosis sums. So as I said, there are different ways of finding skewness. So last two were two different formulas. Now by central moments or by moments also we can find out skewness. So first four central moments: mu1 0, mu2 2.5, mu3 0.7, mu4 18.75. So skewness is equals to beta 1 is equals to mu3 square minus mu3 square minus divided by mu2 cube. Remember, beta 1 is equals to mu3 square divided by mu2 cube. So mu3 LH value 0. mu3 and you have to cube mu2 square cube. 0.7 square divided by 2.5 cube will give me 0.031. So because it is also with positiveness, positive 0.031, so distribution is slightly positively skewed. You have to write this. It is slightly positively skewed. Next, for kurtosis, beta 2 is equals to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. Mu 2 square. So mu 4 is how much? It is 18.75. Mu 4 is how much? 18.75. 18.75 divided by mu 2.5 square. 18.75 divided by 6.25 is equals to 3. How much it is? 3. So if beta 2 is equals to 3, the distribution is mesokurtic, or it is a normal distribution. It is what? Normal distribution. So these are the problems on skewness and kurtosis. Rest all, if I have not sent you this PDF, I will send you this PDF. So remaining sums you can sit in your home and you can solve them, and also the next assignment also is given to you. Whatever I said, that will be your next assignment. So this completes your 5th lesson. So next, because I have to come back to first lesson, those will be pure theoretical lessons. So it is a little bit difficult for me to explain here. So I will be going back to normal screen recording mode. I will be doing those for you there in my screen recording mode. So please be patient and listen to them. Okay. So this completes the lesson, and also I will send you the assignments also. Thank you.